Hey, good morning again, Julie. Look at how Julie's always smiling and so happy. So we're sitting along. How did we get? I don't know, just Main Street, downtown Deadwood. So I've been watching the police. In case you can't park, motorcycles can't park till 10 o'clock on the street. So they got police out running them off. So they got like a half an hour to go before they can start parking. So let's shoot some more video after the bikes start parking. So downtown Deadwood, a lot of shops, restaurants, bars. It's also gambling is loud here. So, all right, take care. Check later.